Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you how to fix your diesel injector on engine DT27 or D27DT or something like that. I don't remember correctly. Okay, it's Ssang Yong Rexton, generation 2, 2008 year. What's the problem? The problem with injector. In standard, when injector is full and how would say correctly, work perfectly, like a new, the diesel must going back not more like 2 mil per 1 minute. It's like it's 2 mil, 2 mil per 1 minute. I try to explain. 2 mil per 1 minute. It must be from the perfect injector, not like this one. This injector have 10 and more to the top, like 14 mil per 18 seconds. It's mean its injector it's fault. You can see everything's here. Also, I can explain what you need to do before you need to extract this injector. This is the system how it must be on engine, must be like that. First of all, you need to start your engine, and your engine must working, I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes to working temperature like 85-90 degrees. Then you stop the engine and you can remove this diesel pipe. I don't know. This one. It not doesn't matter which you need. This one, first one, second one, third one. I don't know what you need. Then, first of all, remove this one. Open this one, then this one. You need to use spin 17 for this. Okay, what's the next one? When you need to open, basically, why your injector start leaking too much diesel on the back of your tank? Because inside we have a multiple valve. I show you what's the problem. Be careful with this. I open this injector, but be careful. Here you have too much small items inside, like a spring or something like that. Don't lose this spring. It's very, very important. And under this spring you have also small valve. Don't lose this, because it will be your big problem. This is a multiple valve. This is the problem if your injector start leaking. We remove this one. This is a standard. Be careful with this, because here you also have a small spring. Yeah, 1 second. This is also must be in here. Here, this one. Don't lose the spring. And also you can have some problem with this. You see what happened here? You have 5 holes for diesel moving. If this stuck inside, this also problem, because it must coming in like not so free, like a little bit tight, but something like that, but not stuck like in my case. You see, this is the problem, like fire in here, like a burning. I don't know how to explain you more. Okay, and I try to show you the replacement kit for this injector. Maybe someone need this. Maybe someone. This is a part number. This is the original Delphi, because Rexton 2, Rexton 1, and I think Rexton W, they have diesel system Delphi. This is for Rexton 2. I'm not sure about Rexton 1, Rexton W. I'm not sure, but this is for Rexton 2. It's 100%. I'm changing the first one, yeah, like first injector and injector 4. At this time I am changing injector 2, yeah, and I can tell you everything's working perfectly. You don't need any scanners, any diagnostic or any computers for starting the engine. Just when you replace everything, 1 second, when you replace everything, all parts in the injector, you can use just ceramic grease. You can put ceramic grease on all injector from here, but be careful. Don't need to do this with this, because here you have a hole for diesel. Don't need to put the ceramic grease in here. Okay, and also 1 second. When you pull it up your injector, you will have this metal ring. Sometimes it can be on an injector, yeah, in here, for example, something like that. But sometimes it's this ring can stuck inside in the hole where you must put the injector. You need to remove this ring from the inside, like in my case, because now I need to remove this ring from inside because they are stuck. For this moment you can use this one, this metal brush, but you need to be careful because this metal brush can also stuck inside in the hole. Okay, what's the next one? Okay, when you replace everything, yeah, and put to ceramic grease, something like that. Yeah, put it inside in the engine. This pipe from this, yeah, you can spin tight, but on injector here you must be like open a little bit, and you can take it off the I don't know how it's say in English, not the crankshaft, a wheel, something like that, but from this side. I try to show you this sensor. Just remove the connector and that's it, because you need to pump the diesel, yeah, and remove the all air from injector, because air 100% will be in here. You can use also your diesel pipe here, the diesel pump, yeah, pump it also, and someone must start the engine. And in that moment, when you see the diesel come from this diesel pipe, you can tie it in here, put it back this valve connector, and try to start the engine. Okay, maybe if someone have some question, I can explain a little bit more, but how I can, that's can I explain, but just like that. Don't lose this spring and valve inside. And, if you think the original injector will be a little bit cheaper, like replacement kit, it will be your big mistake, because this original kit have multiple valve, yeah, and have also this one. You see, everything's original. Delphi. Yeah. This is brand new. This one. This must be inside also. Can open this. So tight. Brand new. Okay. Okay, leave it this. And also this one. This one. This also must be new. See? Brand new, original Delphi. Okay. And all this kit have a price of 100 pounds. New injector have a price 250 or 260 pounds, something like that. I don't know correctly, but I can do this myself. Maybe someone wanna go to some service, it's also good decision, because you need to know you have some risk if you don't know something about diesel injectors, and you don't know how to how you need to fix this, yeah, or replace some kit, some parts. It will be your big problem if you do something wrong. your engine stuck for every time. Okay, I try to explain everything. If you have a question, you can text me, because I'm in UK at this time. Live not so far from Nottingham and Sheffield. Maybe someone also have this problem. I will be happy to help you with this problem. Okay. I think I'm explain everything. If you have some question, you can ask me. Thank you.